guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making bok choy. This is a delicious side that goes with pretty much anything, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video, and make sure you come back for more videos. First, you're going to wash your bok choy and start chopping. I'm going to be cutting my bok choy in small, medium pieces. So I got a lot of bok choy, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this on up. Now that we're done chopping it up, we're gonna go ahead and take it to our stove. So I'm gonna be using a wok tonight. First, I'm gonna add any type of oil. I'll be using avocado oil blend, followed by my bok choy. So I have my wok on medium high, and I'm just going to let that simmer a little bit. While that's cooking, I'm going to start seasoning. I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder, followed by 1 pack or 1 cube chicken bouillon. And some black pepper. I'm also going to add a half a tablespoon of minced garlic. And we're just gonna keep stirring that up until it is done. This took me approximately 10 minutes in total to cook. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a nice, fast, easy side that you can make for any meal. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay, bye.